Looking at some wheels.
What for?
Some new wheels for the Billet.
So can we have a look?
Yeah, sure.
I'll blur it out.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the fenders, make them wider, radius them and stuff, and then I need more aggressive wheels. So that's the next step.
Is that the reason for new wheels?
That and maybe a few other reasons I'm not gonna speak of right now.
So that's just one side of it.
Basically going to laser etch these arms for the photographs for the website. Because we don't have a jig for it or anything, I'm just going to set it up measurement style, make sure I get the size correct, and it's just kind of like a freestyle etching. So just got to measure, make sure they're even. 262. Are you ready? Let's hit that button. There you go. Yeah, we're good. There you go.
Okay, so these are the new Z33 rear upper control arms that we have. They look pretty sick.
This was the prototype that we had, right? So we're gonna basically take all the stuff off of this, make sure it fits onto the new prototype, and then send it out to anodize and put it on our test car.
Yep.
What's the test car?
It's a G35 sedan.
Fits pretty nicely. One of the challenges was the sway bar bracket. We had to make a pretty crazy one, and all the other arms on the market, they don't really have this because they're not adjustable from the front. They're just adjustable from here, but ours, obviously you can adjust it any which way you want.
Yeah, it's also dropped, I think it's 35 millimeters from factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the
bit
ball
over.
joint angle's corrected for a lowered car. I mean, they'll be on the website under Serial 999 arms. Depending on when, I'm not sure. We definitely got to get some miles on them first and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, in the computer, you did tons of FEA testing and stuff. So
Yeah,
I mean,
should be really strong.
Okay, what are you doing?
Alright, I'm just unpacking all these shifter balls. Just came back from plating. That's kind of what they look like. We're just kind of getting all the parts together for the CD999 shifters back in place. So yeah, these will be coming back in stock fairly soon once we get a few things back from our suppliers. And I'll be assembling all of them and getting them out the door for you guys.
Sick.
Yeah.
That's a BOV noise.
I think it's a POV.
No.
I was like, oh my god, dude.
No.
Making the porn noises. Yeah.
So we got blow-off valve from Golby's Parts. Direct bolt-on in place of the OEM blow-off valve. Turbosmart.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put it in. All right, so the kit includes this 25 mil Turbosmart blow-off valve. It is dual port, so it goes to atmosphere and you can also recircuit at the same time. Kit includes this bracket, which will make it go on all OEM. Well, I mean, if you had like a...
I mean, I think my blow